My husband picked this one, Mr. Chips. He don't like spicy stuff. But at Zoo. And he got a Coke. He likes soda. I'm so excited to try these two drinks. Coffee. And this is, yeah, this one's the cranberry juice. Ooh. I love Snickers chocolate bar. So let's see if it tastes the same. Mmm. It tastes so good. It tastes so good.